Happy Monday! Coming at you from Alltech, and my name is Karen Crouch, Academic Service Professional here. I don't know about you guys, summer's almost over, and if you're planning classes with language learners and you want some online games and activities, come to our workshop. It's going to be next Wednesday, the 29th of July, from 1 to 2:30, and you can find more information on our website. But come and hear from some other faculty. We have 5 CU faculty members coming to share their experience, their activities, and what works for them. And Alltech will be sharing some other platforms that you can use. And we look forward to seeing you. This will be a webinar, so you can sit back, relax, and just type in questions. And yeah, looking forward to seeing you there. Bye.